I study in class 4th. Good morning everyone, respected teachers and my dear all friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. August 1947, India became independent from British rule. Thousands of brave hearts sacrifices their lives for the freedom of India. We must remember our brave freedom fighters on this day. It is celebrated to commemorate our freedom fighters are Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, and many more. Due to the sacrifices of these heroes, we are living happily in today's society. We are fortunate that we are born in an independent country. There is a big celebration each year in New Delhi at Rajpath, where the national anthem is sung after the Prime Minister hoists the flag. Our President gives speech on this day. In addition, the army performs many tasks that also include march past, cultural program by school students. The color of our flag represents different things. Saffron signifies courage and sacrifice, white signifies peace and truth, green signifies faith and silver leaf. In the center of our flag there is an Ashoka Chakra that contains 24 evenly distributed spikes. I am very proud to become an Indian citizen. Let us join our hand to make the India the best nation in the world. दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिसमें तेरा शान है, दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिसमें तेरा शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में शान है. जय हिंद, जय भारत. थैंक यू.